Hello guys, just a quick tip here on drilling some plastic. I'm making some flight case labels at the moment. I'm going to put these acrylic sheets with some labels behind them onto the front of flight cases, and I'm just drilling the plastic at the moment, and I thought I'd show you how I'm doing it. So what I've done is I've stacked all the plastic that I want to drill all on top of each other with all the labels inside them, and to keep it all steady I've got some 2" 10 screws and just gone round the outside just to keep it all in place. And first off, start by drilling a really small pilot hole through the lot. I started with a 2mm drill bit, went through no problem, and then just go up about 1mm at a time. That's all I've been doing. I'm trying to get to 6mm at the moment because I'm going to attach them with 6mm screws. I'm currently up to 4, so I thought I'd just show you the process of what I'm doing. Having it fitted to the wood with the screws in really helps. It means that you don't have to concentrate on trying to hold it, and nothing's going to slide out of the way or move around or anything. You do still have to press on the plastic though as you're drilling, because I've noticed as the drill bits get bigger it wants to pull the plastic up the drill bit, so you still have to be careful.